Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a simple CRUD operation using Spring Boot without any database using Java only. Okay, so let's begin. First we will create one Spring Boot application using Spring Starter. So it is okay. I'm adding Spring Web dependency. So here our Spring Boot application is created. Let's create classes required for CRUD operation. So I have created here three classes. First one is this one is employee model class, one is controller, and third one is service stub for the basic CRUD operation. Okay, I have already prepared code, so let's copy that. Okay, I need to add annotation, so REST controller. So I have copied all the code. I will explain the first code. This is our model class. Here I have added only four variables: ID, name, mobile number, salary, constructor, and getter setter. Okay, this is service stub. So here I have created one static map to store all the employee information and in the static block I have added two employees initially. Okay, and these are the services. Okay, first let's run this project and see these services one by one. So our project is started on port 8080. So first service is fetch employee details. Okay, so in the first service I'm fetching all the employees from the map. As you can see, the employee dot values, and I'm converting this into the array list and returning this list. Okay, so let's check this service using this postman for service, this one. Okay, so we are expecting this two employees data in the output. So this is the first service. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting the two employee details in the output currently. The second service is fetching the particular employee details by passing the employee ID. So we are passing this employee ID and fetching that particular employee details from the map. So let's check. So I am passing ID as 2, so I am expecting the employee to details. Okay, the second services is running successfully, and we are getting the employee to details here. Let's check third service. Add employee or create employee, you can say. We are in this service we are receiving the employee object from the request, and we are adding this employee object into two employees. That's why I have kept this index as 2. I am incrementing index, setting the index into the employee class, and storing that object into the employees map. Okay, so let's try to add this employee object. So this is a third service, this is a post service, and in the body I am passing these three variables: the employee name, mobile number, and salary. Okay, so as you can see, the third employee is added and indexed as 3. Okay, we can check this total employees also. Okay, so we are getting now 3 employees. The fourth service is put mapping. Here we are updating the employee details. In this service, we are passing employee ID and employee object, for which employee details need to be updated. Okay, so I am simply updating that employee ID details. Okay, so let's check this service also. So we will update this second employee detail. We will update the mobile number here. Salary. Wait. Second employee now. 2. So employee 2 will keep mobile number as this and salary as 4 lakh. Okay, and let's run the service. You can see the employee details has been updated here. Now let's check last service, delete employee. We need to pass employee ID, for which we need to delete that employee from the map. Okay, so let's check that service, simply removing that ID from the map. So currently I am having the 3 employees. So now let's try to remove this second employee. Okay, so we need to pass that employee as employee ID here as 2 and run this project. So this employee details are deleted now. Let's check using all employee details service. Okay, so you can check the second employee details has been deleted. So this is our simple CRUD operation without any database. Okay, thank you for watching.